What's the date?
It's the 20th. 21st.
Of what?
Of December.
And what's happened?
Big snowstorm. Really big.
How big?
So big, like this big.
What happened to the airport?
Closed.
What happened to our flight?
Shut down.
Where are we going instead?
Up to the mountains.
To right. What have I got to do now?
Go out and shovel snow, Philip.
To
Go
right.
out. Here he
I'm
goes.
equal to the task. It's not easy.
Okay, let's hurry it up.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Look at the snow.
Look at the table.
There is the table. Shovel, Philip, shovel.
I've already shoveled for like an hour today. And my arm is absolutely complaining.
Oh, you're strong.
That's right.
There he is. The good perspective. Arrgh. Okay.
It's almost like none of the other shoveling worked.
There. December 21st. Snowed in. Don't throw it at me.
Oh no, that's not what you're meant to do.
Barbecue.
Flower pots.
Flower
The
pots.
table is the most spectacular thing, as well as the overhang.
The table.
Look at the on the roof there.
And the snow on our roof. Oh, we should deal with that one.
Hot tub. We'll be going. Oh, a bit of champagne on the table from the last night's mulled wine party. Yes, indeed.
The good perspective.
We could make an igloo today.
Yay! Snow day! So we don't want other people offering them? And then what about some in our SL 500?
Yes, we have dug successfully. Nice little channels. Ooh, hot tub. Perfect. Digging our way to safety, the Subi. That's it, putting the woman to work, finally. So I've been digging for 75 minutes.
I've been working.
Oh yeah, that's right, I knew you were useful for something. The escape to freedom, i.e. the mountains, takes place a mere 90 minutes from now. Before then, we've got to have a hot tub. Never let it be said that we're not egalitarian in our house. Keep shoveling! In the distance, a snowmobile. In the foreground, a cross-country skier. Nice. Kiowa. Go on, throw some snow. He's swimming.
Really? You've been with the snow, like after the mountains and all?
Yeah, we
Yum yum.
down a tree a few weeks ago at Fraser. He was loving it. And then all you see him like popping like that.
I know. Go on. Come on.
So much snow.
I know. It's so pristine.
I know. Let's get our snowshoes.
Let's go. Whack, whack, whack. Whack, whack for the camera.
Go off to the side. There you go.
Oh.
There you go. Nice.
Done.